Secure all your accounts with two-factor authentication. 2FA is an important security tool for businesses and individuals that requires verification from other sources outside of just your password. By using 2FA, you're casting a powerful defensive net over your accounts that can safeguard your data and information. There are 2 easy ways to help protect your devices with 2FA. In addition to using a password, you can request a code to be sent to you, or you can use biometrics, such as your fingerprint. Any combination of the two can help secure your accounts. You have multiple options when requesting a code. You can either have it sent to your phone or your email, which you will enter into the field. A third option is to use external apps like Google Authenticator, Microsoft Authenticator, or LastPass to automatically generate a code on your phone. 2FA is especially important with the rise of cybersecurity attacks on personal accounts and small businesses. For more tips on internet safety, visit us at explore.quantumfiber.com.